not to lose your heart, not to lose your nervous system during the match. What you have planned, the team have planned, it must come out on the ground.
The countdown for the Paris Olympics has well and truly begun. Having conquered 7 medals in Tokyo, India is prepared for yet another historic run. And addressing before the Indian contention makes its marks in Paris was Honorable Union Minister of Youth and Sports Affairs, Mansukh Mandavia ji, who made sure that India is once again prepared for the big one.
ये देश में ब्रेन पावर और मेन पावर की कभी कमी नहीं थी। टैलेंट अपार है, सवाल है उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी देने का। थोड़ा सा प्रयास करा, रिजल्ट दिखने लगा। ये अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी मैं आपके सामने आया, उसके पहले कीर्ति का प्रोजेक्ट को, कीर्ति के टैलेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन प्रोजेक्ट को लॉन्च करके आया कि भाई देश में पहले 100 दिन में, मोदी 3 गवर्नमेंट में पहले 100 दिन में हमें 1 लाख, एक गांव में रहने वाला हो, शहर में रहने वाला हो, झोपड़ा में रहने वाला हो, महल में रहने वाले हो, हिमालयन रेंज में रहने वाला हो, मैदानी क्षेत्र में रहने वाला हो, सभी जगह पे देश में पड़ी हुई टैलेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है। और टैलेंट को नहीं केवल आइडेंटिफाई करना है, लेकिन ये टैलेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसको इकोसिस्टम में लाना है, उसको प्रोत्साहित करना है, उसको ट्रेनिंग देना है, उसको कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेंट कराना है और नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर उसकी टैलेंट को ले जाना है दोस्तों, उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी देना है। तब जाके हम 2047 में हमारे लक्ष्य को अचीव कर पाएंगे।
Not to lose your heart, not to lose your nervous system during the match. What you have planned, the team have planned, it must come out on the ground. टीम के अंदर हमारी बहुत क्वालिटीज़ हैं। हमारे सभी जो पार्ट होते हैं टीम के, डिफेंसिव ले लें, हम गोल कीपिंग ले लें, मिडफील्ड लें, फॉरवर्ड लाइन लें, आई थिंक वी आर हैविंग वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड्स, those who are going to stop opponents, and we will definitely attack all these teams, sort of what we are talking about, the strong team like Australia or Belgium, Argentina. So I think this time team will do their best, not the best, but more than that.
So
That's what we expect.
So we have a rich history in Olympics when it comes to hockey. You have been part of a winning team as well, like you have won the bronze medal. So what are the expectations from this contention of the team? Can they go one step ahead in the manner that they have been doing it in the Commonwealth as well as in the Asian Games?
Yeah, till Asian, we have proved in Asia that we are but Asia is part of the world, definitely small part of the world. But when we play in the Olympics, the whole Olympics, and the pressure of name, it itself.
We are delighted to have been joined by former India double trap shooter Ranjan Sodhi ji. Ranjan ji, first of all, the way that India have been doing it in the shooting, it's been 12 years since we haven't won a medal in shooting. So do you think that the drought is going to come to an end?
Well, definitely, because, we have a very strong contingent. 21 shooters have qualified this time around. And everybody is qualified, with a big medal, whether for the World Championship or a World Cup or the Asian. So I'm very certain that they'll do well. And they've trained hard, and there's been a lot of support from all ends. It's the federation or there's the government, and there's a young contingent, and a lot of people will say they're not experienced. Believe you me, that goes in their favor.
So you tell that the experience is going to play a big part as well. But my biggest question would be, it's been 20 years since we last won a medal in the trap shooting. So do you think that even that drought is going to come to an end in trap shooting?
I hope so. Keeping fingers crossed. I hope so.
So you're keeping your fingers crossed. So what do you think? There are 21 shooters who are in Paris this time around with 27 medals expected. So what is the minimum number that we should be expecting from this Olympics?
We should not, look at the numbers. We should look at the performance. If you perform well on that day, you will win a medal. So we can't be talking about whether somebody's going to win a gold or silver or bronze. I mean, I was world number 2 going into the Olympics. and I was one of the favorite to go and win a medal there.
So, with history beckoning for the Indian contingent, can they surpass Tokyo Olympics and get another historic run in the Paris Olympics? That remains to be seen. For now, with camera person Janmajay Bhattacharya, Aditya Pimpre from New Delhi, for WION, World is One.